Hi, this is a guide on how to use the Biofuraw Butterfly Series Protein Electrophoresis System. Check the accessories before use. Ensure the glass plates are intact. Sealing strip of the gel caster is flat and elastic. The electrode rack sealing strip is flat, free of cracks, and elastic. When pouring gel, lay the gel caster flat. Spacer glass has an opening at the bottom. The spacer glass should be placed under the cover glass. And two pieces of glass are aligned. Press both top ends of the gel caster with thumbs to close the gel caster. It is unnecessary to check for leaks. Using a two-step pre-mixed gel as an example. Add the separating gel liquid into the gel caster. Fill to about 2 to 4 mm lower than the 50 ml scale mark. Use ethanol to level the separating gel surface into a straight line. Then pour out after gel solidifies. Use filter paper to absorb remaining ethanol. Add concentrated gel up to the upper edge of the cover glass. Comb is ready. Insert the comb vertically into the concentrated gel. Open the electrode rack. Remove the gel. The cover glass face toward the electrode rack sealing strip. Snap the electrode rack shut. When running one gel, you can install plastic substitute sheet to form the inner tank. Place the assembled electrode rack into the electrophoresis tank. Pour in the running buffer. When running one or two pieces of gels, add running buffer up to the lowest barrier. Use the comb remover to pull out the comb. Put both sides of the remover on the rack base. The front end of remover insert into the gap between glass and comb, then rotate the remover. When removing the comb, rotate remover with one hand and hold the comb with the other. This allows the comb to be removed. Using the comb remover prevents the wells from twisting, making sample loading easier. Load samples with Biofuraw pre-stained protein marker. The marker appears as lines, smoothly settling to the bottom of the wells. After loading samples, the anode of the lid and electrophoresis tank are aligned. Do the same for the cathode. Close the lid. And connect to the power supply. Setting conditions. Butterfly series of Biofuraw has advantages under high voltage conditions. Under a constant of 200 volts, the edge bands do not bend. At the end of electrophoresis, remove the electrode rack and pour out the running buffer. Open the electrode rack and take out the gel. Use a gel scraper to peel the gel off the glass plate. Insert the scraper from the top end of cover glass and tap down. Then cut the gel vertically along the spacer glass strips. Finally, cut the gel horizontally. Gently lift the entire gel with the gel scraper. After peeling the gel, you can use the corner of the cover glass to push out the remaining gel at the spacer glass opening. Gel can be stained with Kumasi Brilliant Blue. We also recommend using Biofuraw's Rapid Protein Staining Solution. It can help you finish the coloring in 15–20 minutes. Here is the reference table. Volume of running buffer. Volume of loadable. Electrophoresis condition. The previous part is an introduction of the Biofuraw butterfly protein electrophoresis system. Bye.